some people don't carry clubbing enter church. Many people now, they don't even know the difference between clubbing and church. Since the time when they close down clubs, close down bars, all those places where you know say people they enjoy themselves. Everybody head no correct again. So now it be like this, my people. If you now see dance, oh, if you now see where people they dance, my people dance don't wear select garment too. Everybody just dey there, sekebula. No be small dance, so I bet why even they waste my time they talk too much because make we watch them. As they stop club, wahala happen. Oh, wahala don't increase. See how people they dance. Oh, now we they see people through color. Now. Before, how did they dance for church? No, don't be saying you know if you dance for church, but my people nowadays the thing don't they change, don't they change shift oh. Which one can't be all this kind of dance now? No, from where? Who bring how? Make we see. No, una don't see those elders who sit down for front. They even spread leg. They enjoy. Hey, voila. The one of the elders said even won't grab the backside for the end of the video. No, una no see her for church. No, see, make una no make dancing for God come turn to sin for men. Because I don't understand. At least if you dey dance for church, dance normal dance. Me, I dey dance, oh. But my people know this one shock me. Forget them. This one shock me. Dance with style, dance with consciousness. This one come dey twerk on top. No, waiting. My sister, why? Since when they stop clubbing, some girls don't carry clubbing for church, and now girls must survive. Now why men, if una they go church, una know they focus. Hey, una go just they end up they impregnate all the church people before una go even know am. Because some people where they church, no be church they go. See, una suppose know something. Church na like hospital. Different people with their different sickness. You understand? So if you they go, they conscious. They make sure say you they carry. Because I they told this thing because of experience. I remember that time, when I dey Lagos, the kind things where they see. Oh, these people, I know they call name, I just they talk. If you not see what they go wear under that thing where you not they see say garment. And these kind of people now, if they rape you now, go they talk say, they don't rape you, they don't do this. No, how you go dance like this? People not even feel focus again for the word where the man of God go they preach. Now so look, they go they look now. No, my people, that one not be dance so. Now twerking, serious one. Now so people call even they thought say, may they make a send them the name of the church, say they won't go. Say from now they go they committed. See what you know they cause. And people see, shame even they catch me like this. Shame they catch me. Una go just say, una they dance for Jesus. I bet that will not be Jesus dance. Una no wait till una go there, go find. My people, now the matter be this so. I don't know whether una see her the way they see them. I be for una eye na normal dance because me I no see normal dance. Because I wanna wait till una think for this matter. Wait till una think say they supposed to do to these people because if we not take care now. Now misleading we go they mislead oh. So I beg drop your comment for that comment section. You understand? If you reach somebody, if you help person. Yes, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, make everybody know where till they happen for Aproko show. I love you guys. See you later. My people, Nigeria relationship expert Mrs. Bobrisky don't give us. In fact, for now we no, she don't already tested this 2021. She dey start lesson for all the girls who did this world, in fact, especially Nigeria. So all of una wey they follow am back to back, una go agree with me saying lesson 101 don't start. This one at the first semester, and now in don't come out the third girls. wetin to do if man dey ask you for number. He say if man ask you for number, make you no just give her a number, give her your account number first. If you no fit credit your account number, make you bullshit am. Abeg, no be for my mouth, una hear am. I want me una hear am from the horse's mouth. So make we watch the video.
Building. Today's class is very simple and short. If any guy wants your number this year, please push him your account number first. If he cannot send you money first, please let him move to the next beach. We don't have time. If you want my time, please send me money. Okay? And those of you guys that keep saying, oh, why will I spend so much money on one pussy? Pussy are the same thing. Are you mad? We have different types of pussy. See, we have garnished pussy. We have dirty pussy. Some of you complain about that girl smells, that girl pussy smells, that girl is not neat, because you're spending your money to a dirty girl. Look for a high-class bitch. You know, she has money to take care of herself. Her pussy will not smell. Okay? So girls, this year we need money, not time waster. Love you.
Bobrisky. Bobrisky. How many times I call you bros? See, your own don't dey too much, oh. No, una hear the nonsense with this. Oh, they need arrest this. I don't tire. No, how long would I want keep this thing? They run like this. Why this man no fit just get sense? Bobrisky, why you no fit just respect yourself? Now by force, make people they follow you. Now by force, if this thing they work for you, carry on like that. You know, I don't know why you they carry on when they put on top people. By now, una suppose no say this Bobrisky na devil agent. Oh. Devil send them. Una think say now until una see devil with ugly face, with horns, una go no say na devil. No, now devils they come with pretty face. So Bobrisky na one. So if una no dey alert now, una no go even believe when this thing hit una. Destroyer of relationship and marriages, and in fact you are a destroyer. My people, make una open una ear. I know they consider here every day they talk because I know get wetin to do. I dey tell una serious matter. I dey bring una serious. See, if una dey see Bob wey wise, na him be say una too follow for the foolishness. See person wey dey call himself graduate. No, he dey tell una say make una no send account number. Make una no give men phone number until you give her account number. How you want send man account number? No be through your phone. So your phone number no go dey there. See graduate. No, accounting in what? Bobrisky. Abeg bring this guy outside. You, I no go tire for your matter. Me and you, we die for this place. You no. Papa the mama. Una no even notice for the video say him nails no complete. How far na? You dey come give girls advice on money, but your nails don't come out. How far bros no give you money to go fix your nails, abi to go do the nails? Now you go come tell us say na fashion. Say you don't remove some because na fashion. Na lie. My people, the year wey Bobrisky be man, since na him to say na woman. That year when him be man, how many girls Bobrisky send money because of phone number? He no do am, but now he don't they bring am for una. Una suppose reason now. Reason. Now what? See, some kind things, some kind matters, they make me they feel bad sometimes. My people, see, money no be everything, no. Money no be everything. Money good, but no be everything. Not at the expense of your happiness. You understand? So una suppose they very wise. Make una no listen to Bobrisky. Look for job. Look for business where you go start. If you know say you no get anything to do, start to think of what you go do. Else, you go end in tears. And I hear when I go they call me, say, Madam Aproko, it don't happen, no. And I go bring them outside. So a word is enough for the wise. Bobrisky, mind yourself. My people, now the matter be this, so and for una way they follow am, because I know say many people they follow am. Because next week, according to 18 talk, next week na test. So now go write test for all the things where they don't they teach you. Hala, no fight for woman country. My people, I beg, I want to wait till I think for this matter. Drop her for the comment section. Share this video and click on that notification bell so that you no go miss anything where they happen for this house. Don't go far. I will see you later.